Ever wonder why drinking acidic lemon juice doesn't drastically change your body's chemistry? The answer lies in one of chemistry's most elegant balancing acts, buffers. Our blood, for example, is a masterfully buffered solution, holding its pH steady at around 7.4. This stability is critical for life itself. It all starts with the pH scale, a simple 0 to 14 ruler for acidity. Below 7 is acidic, above 7 is basic, and 7 is neutral. Then it's a logarithmic scale, meaning a pH of 2, like hydrochloric acid, isn't just a little more acidic than a pH of 3, it's 10 times more acidic. This is calculated by taking the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. This is where buffers come in. They are solutions that heroically resist pH changes. Imagine a chemical sponge. A buffer contains a pair, a weak acid, and its partner, a conjugate base. When you add a strong acid, the base part of the buffer neutralizes it. When you add a strong base, the acid part steps in. They work together, soaking up the shock and keeping the pH incredibly stable. This capacity to absorb change is crucial, not just in our bodies, but in everything from laboratory experiments to industrial manufacturing. But how do we measure these properties in a lab? That's where acid-base titration comes in. Think of it as chemical detective work. You have a solution with an unknown concentration, the analyte. You carefully add a solution of known strength, the titrant, drop by drop. You also add an indicator, a chemical dye that changes color at the precise moment the acid and base have perfectly neutralized each other. This is the endpoint. By measuring how much titrant you used, a simple calculation reveals the mystery concentration. From keeping our blood stable to ensuring quality in pharmaceuticals and food production, the principles of pH, buffers, and titration are the unseen foundation of countless chemical processes that shape our world.